So everybody, Ray from Rays Roadside came out here to Texas and to work on the Jeep, something I really didn't want to do. It's the valve cover gaskets and spark plugs. So he started to take stuff apart. He's got a bunch of stuff over there already, but he's very excited to be out here in Texas in this weather. Even though it's overcast, it's still nice out.
It's hot.
It's hot compared to Mass. So he's going to be working on this, and Tony and I are going to be working over there, and then we're all going to be working over there, and then we're hopefully going to cut up some tanks over there, and we'll see what happens. But it should be fun. Ray's here, Tony's here, Evie's here, Vic's here. We're having a good time. Later.
Nice.
All right, so Ray has gotten it all taken apart. We're doing valve covers, spark plugs, idler pulleys, all the gaskets for the intake and stuff. Did you need the intake gaskets?
For sure.
Yeah? Okay. Sensor, we're getting new gaskets right there, none of those sensors.
Cam sensors.
New belt, new idler pulleys. So we got a lot of stuff going in. We're up to about $500 in parts. And a good thing we plugged this stuff. Look at the garbage sitting in there.
Yep. 'Tis the season.
So Ray's working away.
Don't do this job. Just don't.
He says burn the Jeep, don't fix it.
Don't bring it to me either. Did you show him the spark plugs?
No, I haven't. So let's look at some spark plugs. See if I can get these. So you can see how thin that is and how burnt it is. That's a 180,000 mile spark plug.
Original spark.
Original. And they're all like that. So they're all just burnt out. So we're going to expect this to run a lot better, which is nice. So this is our table of stuff. This is how much stuff you got to take off this just to change the valve cover gaskets. And then
don't do it.
Ray says don't do it. And then just for other side, let's go see the 84. See how many things are there to replace that valve cover gasket.
Could run it like this.
So on this motor, you can count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and you can get the valve cover off. So that's the difference. So anyway, we're moving along.
No. So that was what's wrong with it. Usually you replace the tensioner.
All right, so here's Ray still working on this.
Save me. Please.
He's got the valve covers back on. He's getting that done. We got the intake back on. We got a bunch of stuff back on. A lot of stuff still off, but that's okay. It's coming together.
Is it though? Is it really?
Didn't you take the intake off first?
Yes.
Oh, so
you know, I was trying to save myself time.
Oh yeah.
And then it ends up biting you in the ass when you should have just done it.
Because we got all new belt tensioner pulleys and idler pulleys, so had to go to 3 different O'Reillys to get them, but we got them.
You're missing what?
Cool.
8mm socket.
Shallow.
All right, we're buttoning it all up. Is that the last connection there, Ray?
Yeah.
I hope so.
We're hoping. You ready to plug the battery back in?
You can, but we do need to fill up the coolant.
Okay.
You want to start it first? Whatever you want to do, honestly.
Give me a 10 millimeter, Vic, Evie.
Right there in your hand. That was loose, by the way.
Was it?
Yeah. Oh, Oh,
What?
Jesus.
What?
It's only a tiny little bowl. Oh, God.
That was only like the palm strength.
Oh, old man palm strength.
Old man palm strength. Never heard that.
That's stronger than normal.
Hey, we got to open this up.
2 gallons of Freshie?
You won't need to.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
You want a funnel? You gotta eyeball it.
You know who you're talking to? That's Pop.
I know, it's Pops.
Pops.
See, watch Pops make it here. What are you fingering the hole first, making sure it's good?
It has a blockage there. That's a piece of plastic.
I mean, usually we clear it out first.
Right.
But, you know,
Yeah.
some people
Just checking. Just check it. Check it before you pour something in it.
I'm gonna hurt tomorrow.
So, was it easy to get that bolt way in the hell back there? Because that's the one that I couldn't tighten up any farther
Which one's that?
on the valve cover.
That was horrible.
The one that was leaking.
That was horrible.
Oh yeah, it's like finger,
Wait, you're
finger,
talking on
finger.
this side?
Yeah, way
Everything
in the
on
back.
this side was way better.
Oh yeah.
Than that side? Oh yeah.
Could have started off.
Oh yeah. All right, cool. I did tighten it. Thanks, Rob.
Well, that's the one that was leaking.
Yeah. Next thing you know, Ray didn't tighten up that last one that you can't
This
reach
is
for
leaking. That'd be funny.
Fire?
Evie, hop in.
Let's move some of these tools off here.
Tony, there's. Oh, you're doing that. I'll get it.
And not in drinking the milk didn't. Wow, how smart, right? Yeah.
No leftover bolts? Oh look, it's empty. We didn't have any extras. We had a broken clamp, but that's okay. That happens.
I do. Okay.
Keys are,
I love that.
she found them.
She knows.
She just flipped them off. Can't tell they're together, huh? Hey, it sounds good. It smells good.
That's the quietest it's been in a very long time.
It has. It never starts up without going.
For real?
Yeah. Tony's gonna attempt to pour. It doesn't get all the way full. That's probably good, Tony. It's way full.
Didn't take much of
It'll suck some down. Oh,
It's looking like we're leaking.
well,
Unless you just overspilled.
it was some overspilled.
All right, I just.
That is quiet.
Probably gonna have a big air pocket.
We do need to.
All right, go ahead, Evie.
You'll be like, I'm gonna
Just
wait
turn the key.
until the fuck you are.
damn it.
All right, so Ray finished the Jeep. It's as quiet as it's ever been. And fancy schmancy. Oh, we forgot the last piece.
Oh, I didn't take that off, so I wasn't responsible for that.
Yeah, I know. I did it. Yeah, I should have cleaned that, but why bother? It's looking good.